Domino's new FinOps Cost Center dashboard allows admins to track and monitor cloud spend in real time. Cost data from your cloud provider is automatically mapped to your business, users, projects, organizations, and even custom billing tags. You can also explore spend by workload and workload type. These reports quickly surface your top sources of spend long before a surprise invoice arrives. Everything's filterable, and you can define custom time periods for targeted reporting. All costs are broken down by different types of compute and storage, and the top bar reports total cloud spend, including cloud service costs, which could be shared. Billing tags are a powerful tool to manage costs across organizational and project boundaries. Simply define the tag and associate it to projects. They're also powerful tools for limiting and alerting, where you can define spend limits for organizations, projects, and billing tags, as well as provide manual overrides and issue alerts.